So Willem Johannes went on the heart, and we promised you an update. As you know, we wanted to get the drive shaft replaced, as it appeared to have loosened a little. And since taking close to 50 tons up on the heart is no cheap trick, we naturally had several maintenance done, such as bottom cleaning, which, as you can see, was a barnacle feast, followed by repainting, respraying. And while the mechanics worked on the bearing, pre-balancing the prop, and replacing the homokinate, which is a coupling-ish device attached to the shaft bearing, we cleaned the hull and repainted the yellow stripe on the waterline. And then she was ready to get her belly wet again, except one of the outlets leaked. Though only slightly, we asked the Amsterdam Yacht Service to haul us out again. And after another night in the slings, the mechanics fixed the problem, and this time we brought her back home safely.